Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Artem and I am a Salesforce developer at ENWAY. We are a Salesforce consulting and ISV partner and we help businesses overcome challenges using Salesforce. In this video, I will tell you how to engage with your customers using Salesforce Experience Cloud. Let's get started. Salesforce Experience Cloud, which was previously called Community Cloud, is a platform that helps businesses create amazing experiences for their customers, partners, and employees. With Experience Cloud, businesses can easily build and manage their websites and portals using tools like drag-and-drop page builders, customizable templates, and analytics. And what's really great about Experience Cloud sites is that you can give them a unique web address, like sites.yourcompany.com, to make your brand stand out. So, how to engage with your customers using Experience Cloud sites? We recommended starting from drag-and-drop builder and personalized content. Let's walk through them. So, the first step is to customize your site with drag-and-drop builder. With this builder, you can enhance your site in any possible way, from adding text and images to creating visual page with custom code. For example, you can create the community, brand it, and provide self-service options to your customers. Here we have knowledge articles and service chats. But also you can add a dozen of new components and customize the site's appearance. Your second step is to add personalized content. Salesforce Experience Cloud allows you to define and target specific audience based on the user profile in Salesforce. The user profile contains information such as their role, department, and location. Overall, leveraging the user profile in Salesforce Experience Cloud to define and target audience can help you create more personalized and effective experience for your users, resulting in improved engagement and business outcomes. For example, you can create an audience for customers based on their location, such as customers in various Europe countries. After logging into your site, each user will see page variations that match their particular country. Let's have a look. As you can see, this page variations is only visible to users from Germany. By clicking here, we see an Assign Audience window. And here we can edit or create new audience based on the various criteria types. So, in Salesforce Experience Cloud, customized sites and personalized contents are some of the best ways to engage with your customers. Contact ENWAY if you want to build an Experience Cloud site but don't know where to start. The link in the description. Okay, that's all I have for today. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. See you in the next video. Bye bye!